Hello friends, welcome to Mridul's Pocket Phone. So friends, in this video I am back with a new topic. In this video we are gonna unbox new headphones. So before we get into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell button. Let's get started. Friends, let's see certain uses of headphones. Headphones are also used by people in various professional contexts, such as audio engineers, mixing sound for live concerts or sound recordings, and DJs who use headphones to cue up the next song without the audience hearing, aircraft pilots and call center employees. You know something? I'm using headphones even for attending my classes. It is very helpful for me. So now let's get started. Yes friends, let's see how set. So these are the two headphones that we purchased. Icon wireless headset. We had bought two colors. So now let's unbox it. Icon wireless headset. This is the blue color one. Yes. Friends, I'm gonna open it now. Yes. This is the headset and I'll show you that later. And I had got two free accessories inside the box. This is the USB cable that you use to charge your headset, and the other one is auxiliary cable. Yes. So friends, these are the two accessories that I got in free. Now let's move on to the headset. Yes. So yes friends, it can be folded and kept in. Yes. It is cool, isn't it? Looking very stylish. That's the reason I chose this. Icon. Amazing. So the earpieces are very soft. Just give it a try. And this is the power button. We'll have to give a long press to switch it on. And this light indicates that it is switched on. And another long press to switch it off. I'm switching it off, my dear friends. And now let's move on to the volume increasing button and volume decreasing button. Yes. And this slot is given to insert your auxiliary cable. Yes. And the other side of the cable should be inserted on your Android phone. So friends, now I'll show you how you can charge your headphones. Have a look. So when you slightly push it down, you will see two slots. One is for your TF card or your memory card, and the other one is to insert your charging cable. I'll show you how it works. Yes friends, you'll have to just insert it. So yes friends, and the other side of the cable should be inserted in an adapter to charge it. Yes. So over here you can increase and decrease the size of the headset according to your comfort level. So that's it friends. I'm sure you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, stay tuned. And until then, goodbye from Mridul Naveenan and Mridul's Pocket Phone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.